Hi, my name is David Blevins from Tommy Tribe, and I'd like to tell you about the Tribestream API Gateway. The Tribestream API Gateway provides security from microservices. It supports standards like OAuth 2 and JSON Web Tokens, can do advanced routing with mod rewrite, has a dynamic load balancer, and integration with Elasticsearch and some pretty beautiful out-of-the-box dashboards. So how do people typically secure microservices? Some people create big libraries and install them on all their microservices, and each individual microservice will authenticate all users coming in. The problem with this is if you have many languages in your backend, you potentially have to implement this several times. The cost and time and complexity are going to go up, as are the risks of failure. The Tribestream API Gateway is a proxy that sits between your users and your microservices. It has also a built-in identity provider where you can store user accounts or integrate with external providers like LDAP. As calls come through, the proxy enforces both authentication and authorization before allowing things to continue. Tribestream API Gateway supports, of course, basic auth. We support modern OAuth 2 with JSON Web Tokens, which we like to describe as the Google Facebook style of security. It's perfect for single sign-on and targeted towards mobile and desktop scenarios with lots of users on the other side. The Tribestream API Gateway also supports what we would call the Amazon style of security, which is perfect for business-to-business integration. So how does it work internally? All users who call the gateway are given an account. Those accounts can represent a user, a client, or an application. As calls come in, they're routed using mod rewrite, which is a very powerful technique. When the matching route is identified, the security constraints for that route are enforced. This could be OAuth 2 with JSON Web Token, basic auth, or HTTP signatures. This authenticates the user. After that, permissions are checked to ensure that the user has the correct roles or groups to access the microservice. Once everything checks out, the call is sent to the appropriate microservice. Connection pools are used to ensure the most efficient traffic. Additionally, the proxy supports load balancing, allowing traffic to be evenly spread across a number of microservices. User accounts can be stored internally in the gateway itself. Of course, most enterprises may have an existing system such as LDAP or Active Directory. In fact, both can be used at the same time. Continue on the learning journey. It only takes 25 to 30 minutes to execute, and at the end, you'll have a microservice that is both secured, load balanced, and monitored.